So, as I said in my last video, this one I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay? Solving Rubik's Cube. Easy as ABC, 1, 2, 3. Anyways, so I was talking to this person the other day, and they kept telling me that the Washington Redskins were apparently one of their least favorite teams. I found this quite contrary because I was born near DC where the Redskins play. And the funny thing about this guy was he didn't even know who their starting quarterback was. How can they be a bad team when you don't even know who their starting quarterback is? I don't get it. Like, how can you know how bad a team is if you don't even know the team? Now, granted, RG3, the Redskins' starting quarterback, got hurt. Now, I'm not going to go around saying that I'm the favorite Redskins fan in the world, but I will go out and say that they are a good team. Now, granted, they just lost to the Philadelphia Eagles. Not a good team. And Chip Kelly, great coach. I loved Oregon, loved the coach. Chip Kelly's awesome. Like, yeah. Now, one thing that's wrong with the Philadelphia Eagles is that they have this really old quarterback. He's 37. Now, this 37-year-old quarterback, I feel myself that he won't be able to hold up running 80-some plays a game for this whole season. If anyone else gets that feeling too, well, go ahead. Anyways, so as I was saying, I don't think he can run 80 plays in a season every game for the whole season. I just don't see it happening. Anyways, so the problem with this is I'm almost done with my cube, and I'm like, only halfway through the story. So I guess I'll finish this later. Well, there's the cube. Remember, Redskins, not a bad team. And I also feel that RG3 is going to have a great season this year. But, home's where your heart is, right, boys? Let's get 'em, Colts.